Hi. Is your friend? It's your huh? This is your friend? Ah, this is your friend? See? Oh. What? I didn't hear you. Huh? Oh. Oh. What happened? Huh? Oh, Papa, kami na dali. Papa na oh. Papa dali. Oh my God, where are you? Where are you? Wait, wait. Wait, I have a car. Wait. Wait. Okay, come. Come, Adri. Go, Adri. Go. Jaldi. Go. Go na. Oh my God, too much hot. Kaya too much hot. Okay, go. Open na, open. Too much hot. Yan, buksan mo lang siya. Too much hot. Ayan, pupunta kami ni Adri ngayon sa Philippine Embassy. At punta from Embassy, going to farm na daw kami. Too much hot. Ino-open lang namin yung car dahil sobra init talaga ngayon. Oh. Super duper ang init ngayon, guys. Kaya buksan muna natin ang sasakyan. Hello, say hello. Where are you going? Going to? Going to farm. Wow, tingnan mo naman nakapurma ang pupunta sa farm. Pupunta daw siya ng farm. Ha? Oh. Are you going to farm? Nakapurma ganyan ang purma, pupunta ka sa farm. Go na inside the car. I think it's okay na. Okay na, go. Doon ka sa kabila ning. Okay, go, go. Ayan, aalis na kami ni Adre. Wow, super init. Yeah, too much hot. Yeah.
Thank you. I remember this one.
Yan, pupunta kami ngayon guys sa Philippine Embassy para kay Adre. Ayan, ayan ang aming ladies driver.
Yes, please.
Yan, so ayan baya. Ayan si Adre Putput. See? Hindi pa siya ano ngayon, maarte-arte pa siya. Moody pa siya kasi ayaw niya ng shoes na ano daw. Ayaw niya ng blue na shoes na yan. Sabi ko mayroon kang extra doon, dinala na lang siya. Baya guys, salamat po at update na lang po namin kayo. Bye bye. Bye bye Adri. See you.
No.
See you.
No.
Please
No.
comment
No.
down
No.
below.